In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect InstaForex to MT5. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to create your InstaForex account. You want to go to your dashboard and then in here create a trading account, which could be either a demo or a real account. Okay, so of course, whatever you want to do, that's completely fine. And whenever you open up that account and make sure you select MT5 as the platform, you'll then receive your login credentials onto your email. Okay, so in there, you're going to have like the account number, you're going to have a password, and you also going to have a server, okay? And that is all very important. Now, usually you're going to have two passwords. One is going to be trading or trader password, and the second one is going to be something else. Make sure you do use the trader password. And whenever you have your account number or your login and your trader password, then what you want to do is you want to open up MT5 on your computer. But if you don't have it yet, you can just go here on the left-hand side. It says download MetaTrader 5, and you can also do that. And then whenever you do it, basically, you'll be able to open up MT5, click on File top left, and click on Open an Account. Here, you want to go and search for the company, type in InstaForex, there we go, and click on Find Your Company. And it's going to find the Instant Trading EU over here on the list. As you can see, it says InstaForex. Click on it and click on Next. On the next page here, you want to click on Connect with Existing Trade Account. And after this, you first have to just copy and paste in your login, which, as I said, is going to be in your email when you create your account, and then your password as well. And for the server over here, right now, only one is available, but whenever you're watching this video, there may be more. And if there are, you can just use the one that's in your email as well, because you will have that info inside your email too, okay? Now, whenever you put all that in, just click on the Finish button, and you'll be connected to InstaForex server. As you can see, I'm connected to my demo account right now, and I can just go ahead and start trading. So that's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.